Question number 8. The cylindrical wooden block is cut into pieces for decoration purposes. Diagram 7 shows the first 3 pieces that have been cut and the remaining part. So the angle of the sector increased by a constant amount. So they're saying constant amount. It's increasing constant amount. So I can assume it is arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic progression, because you're increasing a fixed amount. A total of n pieces can be cut from this block. So there are n pieces. When I cut this whole thing, I got n pieces here. The angle of sector of fourth piece is 3 times the angle of the smallest piece. So that means the fourth angle, right? So T4, the fourth angle, the fourth term lah, is equals to 3 times of the smallest piece. So the smallest piece is the first term, which is 3a lah. Okay. The sum of angles of the sectors, so sum of the whole thing, so Sn. Oh wait, sorry, it's not Sn, it's for the first 4 pieces. Okay, my bad. First 4 pieces, so S4 is equal to 72 degrees. Okay. So these are the information that we have. So what they're asking for? Find the angle of sector in degree for the smallest piece. So they're asking us to find the A value. Okay. So we have to use these 2 equations. Why? Because if we use this equation, we don't have the D value. So we have 2 unknowns. We have A value to find and we don't have the value of D. So we need 2 of this equation to do simultaneous. Okay. So let's do the first one, question A. Okay, so T4 equals to 3A. So T4 means the fourth term, right? So you can use the formula A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, this is the Tn formula. So we have A plus 3D equals to 3A. Rearrange this, I get 3D equals to 2A. So I'm going to use D as a subject because I'm going to substitute into the second equation there. 2 over 3A. Okay, so what is the second equation? We're going to use the second information given. So S4 is, we're going to use the sum of root formula. What's the formula? Sn equals n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so now we're doing S4, right? So S4 will be 4 over 2 times 2 times a plus n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3d equals to 72. Okay, so here we have 2. So okay, so I bring the 2 across. I bring this 2 here across, so it becomes divide 36. So 2a plus 3d. So d we got it from here, 2 over 3a. So 2 over 3a equals to 36. Okay, so 2a, this one I can simplify, plus 2a equals 36. So 4a equals to 36. So a is equals to 36 divided by 4 is 9. Okay, so we found the smallest piece. Answer is 9. Question B. Find the value of n. So n here, we know it's the last, there are total of n number of pieces, right? So since it is a full circle, what we can do is Sn is equals to 360 degree. Okay, because the total angle is 360. So we can use the Sn formula. So in this case, we're going to use n over 2 and then 2a. Okay, wait, what is a? A is 9, right? 2a, so 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, we haven't found d yet, so we can continue from here. So what is d? 2 over 3 times a. A is 9. So answer is 6. So d is equals to 6. So we can use 6 here. Equals to 360 degree. So what can I do? Let's see. Never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna expand it first. 18 plus 6n minus 6 equals 360, and then I'm gonna expand this. So wait, so I got 18 minus 6 will give me 12. Then when I times n over 2, I get 6n plus, so 6n times 1n over 2, I get 3n squared, and then equals 360. So I can actually simplify this further, divide by 3, and then I rearrange such that I have a quadratic equation. So when I divide by 3, I get n squared, and then the 6n becomes 2n, then 360 becomes, divided by 3 is 120, so minus 120 degree. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equation, so we can factorize. Let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, so when we factorize, what do we have? We get n minus 10, n plus 12. Okay, so from here we get n is equals to 10, n equals to negative 12. So we have to reject this, okay, because you cannot have a negative n value in this case. Okay, so the answer is 10.